Oh, hi there. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make this ground beef and garbanzo beans taco salad. We are going to roast our garbanzo beans first, and that's where we're going to start. We're going to drain the garbanzo beans. It's very important to dry them well. So after you drain them, you rinse them with a little bit of water, and then you place them on a baking sheet pan, and with a paper towel you dry them completely, and then we're going to season it and roast it. It's very important to dry them completely because you want that nice crisp versus to that chewy. When it's moist and still has a lot of water, then it becomes chewy. It doesn't really roast well. So that is an important step. So let's go ahead and start. I use canned garbanzo beans. I rinse and drain them, and I also remove that outer skin. Now we're ready to place them on a baking sheet pan, and at this point make sure that you're preheating your oven to 450 degrees and make sure that you have a paper towel to pat them dry. Here are the seasonings: chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, dried oregano, and salt. Mix them well. We're going to split the seasoning into two. One will go to season our ground beef, and the other one will go to season our garbanzo beans. Drizzle some oil. Sprinkle the seasoning. Toss the coat well. And we're going to bake the garbanzo beans for about 20-30 minutes. For the meantime, let's heat the pan with oil, add the ground beef, and then also season them and cook until they're no longer pink. Then remove the ground beef from the pan and set them aside. Now let's chop half red onion, lettuce, 2 tomatoes, de-seed and dice, one avocado and cut them into cubes. And here's the roasted garbanzo beans. Now we're ready to make our dressing. Mayonnaise, cilantro, lime juice, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper, and use an immersion blender. Add a little bit of oil. Now if you don't have immersion blender, you can use a regular blender. So blend it until smooth. Now to thin the dressing, add a little bit of water. And now we're ready to assemble. All right, my lovelies, this is a really nice combination of all that flavors, that seasoning, that we use for the ground beef and also for our roasted garbanzo beans. They really marry well, and then all the veggies together, it is so amazing, so flavorful. And the dressing, you have got to try it. That cilantro, mayo, lime, and some garlic. It's a simple dressing that you can use in any salad that you want, but it goes so well with this ground beef and roasted garbanzo beans taco salad. So my lovelies, make this and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, leanballaskitchen.com. And have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.